When I started my graduate training, I was interested in kids and families. And so I spent a lot of time working with all kinds of different kids and families. And I kind of gravitated towards kids who really needed more help and more kinds of support. I had an early experience working with kids with developmental disabilities in a community setting where I felt like we were really struggling to meet their needs. And so that inspired me to continue in that path. My name is Nadler, and I am the Section Chief for Autism Psychology. I direct the Autism and Developmental Disabilities program at Children's Mercy Kansas City. Autism is a lot of different things, and one of the most important things we try to emphasize is that it looks different in every kid and every adult that we might interact with. The core commonalities that we see on the spectrum are differences in social interaction patterns, communication style, as well as behavioral differences. One of the most important things that we do is really learn from them and from their parents and families about what those needs are. Every kid has a different presentation, which means that our care needs to be adjusted and tailored to help them reach their goals. The most important thing that we can do for families is help chart a course. Autism treatment is really mostly treating the things that go along with autism. That could be speech delays, that could be learning challenges, it could be behavioral or even mental health challenges, which are very common for kids with autism. And so one of the biggest ways we support families is through our parent coaching programs. In our autism telemedicine program, we bring together small groups of parents from across the region who have kids with similar challenges. The groups allow parents not only to benefit from our coaching, which is evidence-based, but learn how those strategies actually work in the real world and hear the successes and challenges that each other are going through. We absolutely learn from parents every single group, and it creates an environment where it's okay to try things, it's okay to share, and everyone benefits. I think for kids to achieve their full potential, they've got to grow into their own advocates. And so making sure that kids are developing their communication skills, their ability to self-regulate so that they can succeed in the environments that they want to participate in, making sure that they have opportunities to build their social skills and build their other connections. That sets kids on the right path to be able to reach whatever potential and future that they want.